Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold Reports video. When designing reports, it's important to make the data visually clear and engaging. Sometimes you need to highlight specific sections, group related content, or improve the layout. Shapes are graphical elements like rectangles, stars, and arrows that you can add to your report to enhance its visual structure. They help guide the viewer's attention, separate content areas, and serve as decorative elements. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Shape Report item in the Bold Reports Report Designer. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version from the Bold Reports report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I create a new report in the report server and name it Shape Report Item. Next, I add a header. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that will act as a container for the text. And resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. To add header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Shape Report Item. I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, we can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now the header is finished. Next, I drag and drop a Shape Report item into the design area. Its properties will be displayed in the Properties panel. Here, the shape properties are listed under the Basic Settings category. To see the list of supported shapes in the Bold Reports Designer, I select the drop-down panel. I choose Rectangle from the drop-down menu. And the shape is automatically displayed in the design surface. Next, the Rotation Angle property allows me to rotate the shape to a desired angle. The angle range is from 0 to 360. I set it to 50. This fill color property can be used to set a fill color for the shape report item. The line style property sets the border style for the shape. Clicking the drop-down panel displays the line style options. I click dashed and a series of short line segments are displayed as the border of the rectangle. If I click dotted, it becomes a series of dots. If I click dash dot dot, it displays one dash, one dot, and another dot. When I select dash dot, it creates a line style that alternates between one dash and one dot. The solid option applies a single solid line. The next property is the line color property. This sets the border color for the shape. I set it. Next, I add a star shape. Star count and concavity are two unique properties available for the star shape. The star count property specifies the number of points on the star, ranging from 3 to 8. When I set it to 6, you can see the star points add up to 6. The concavity property adjusts the depth of the star's inner points. It ranges from 0.3 to 1.0, where lower values create sharper indents. I set it to 0.3. Next, I add a left arrow shape. The arrow height and arrow width are two unique properties in this shape. The arrow height defines the height of the arrowhead. I set it to 30. The arrow width property defines the width of the arrow's stem. I set it to 20. In the same way, you can add other shapes to the report, but for my case, I only want 3 shapes. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview in the top panel. You can see the shapes displayed with various properties applied to them. In this video, I have shown you how to add shapes to a report and apply the shape properties to them. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.